Girls in engineering are underrepresented, so this is an effort to expose the girls to engineering projects and how fun and exciting engineering can be. STEM Center for Women in Diversity offers every year this week-long program called Future Women Engineers Program, and this is for girls from 8th grade through 12th grade. You see them working in groups, they learn about team building, and when the project works, it's such an aha moment for them, and you see that spark.
It was fun because at one part we did something wrong, and it was fun to figure out what we did wrong and putting it back together.
I love the hands-on and the thinking skills that go into it. I really love STEM and especially engineering.
Enjoyed it?
Yes, it was really fun.